Coming to the patient demonstration, intraoral scanning. So first we remove the sulcus forma, see that the area is completely healed and there is moisture free. You can use the air syringe. Try your Bredent scan body here and make sure the bevel is facing buccally or facially. Then remove the scan body and try the rock and roll method of your intraoral scanning wand. So here what is happening is first the occlusal surface is scanned and then lingual and buccal surfaces are scanned. So you can see the motion here, rocking and rolling technique. Okay, so you can see the scanning here in the software, it immediately gets captured. The first impression that we make will be the area without the scan body, so you can see the emergence profile in that area. The next impression will be the opposing arch. In this case it is the maxillary arch. So if there are any metal crowns, so if there is any reflection that is happening which will cause some artifact, we can use something called as the shine control, or we can go for a monochrome version of scanning, so it is better to decipher for us, again using the same rock and roll technique. So you can see here there's a red band here, so that means it's not aligning properly. So once it turns green, you continue with your processes. The third scan that we will take is our bite scan. So you should make sure the patient is biting and not moving, and is biting in the centric relation that we require. So now we place the scan body and scan only the scan body region. After this, the alignment will start with the upper and the lower cast automatically by the software itself. They'll align it. You can see that the upper and the lower scans are being aligned. Once the calibrations and everything is correct, this will be processed into a fully functional intraoral scan. So you can check for any corrections. So if there is any islands of other areas, intraoral surfaces, we can remove it. Now this is the process intraoral scanner. We need to validate the implants as well, because the implants that we have placed should be present in the library of the software, then only they can send in the detail to the lab. So we select the area where the intraoral scanning has been done of the scan body, and we validate that. Finally, we review the intraoral scans, one final check before sending the file to the milling unit or to the local lab. We can also save this in STL format in the computer documents for later use. So all these things will be saved in your patient vault, and you can access them whenever you require. So this is how we do our scan.